So year 1 practice paper, learning outcome number 2, question 5. This particular differential involves one of the 3 rules, the quotient rule, the product rule, and the function rule, outlined in chapter 43, page 392 in the old, 415 in the new. Again, exercises appear, solutions to the exercises appear as video clips. This particular one, you need to recognize that we've got one function inside another, so it involves using the chain rule or the function of the function rule, and remembering that sine squared x is shorthand way of saying what's the sine of x squared. So actually this is the function y equals the sine of x all squared. And so what we do is we let u equal sine x. And then we need to differentiate u with respect to x. Differential of sine is cos x. We also need to therefore rewrite the function y equals u squared, if we let u equal sine x, and differentiate y with respect to u, which is just 2u. And then the chain rule tells us I have to multiply them together, dy by dx equals dy by du times du by dx. That's the chain rule. And so that equals, therefore dy dx equals dy by du, which is 2u, multiplied by du by dx, which is cos x. Finally, replace u with what we set u to be, which was sine x. So we've got 2 sine x times the cosine of x is my solution, dy by dx. Do you remember another way that we talked about doing this? The shorthand way was to ignore what was inside the bracket. So at this point here, going back to here, ignore what's inside the bracket and differentiate that. So what's the differential of something squared? Bring the 2 down, reduce it by 1, gives you 2 sine x. And then when you've done the 2 sine x, you multiply by the differential of what's inside the bracket, which is cos x. So you end up with 2 sine x cos x, as in the solution here.